Good morning. First of all, I am Arpa. I am from Palopo. Today, I like to tell you about cigarette. You know cigarette? Yes, cigarette. I have divided my topic into two parts. Okay? Let me illustrate my topic. Recently, it's talking about impact of the smokers. Finally, it's talking about how the fight of the smokers. Do you get my point? Recently, it's gonna it's gonna tell you about impact of the smokers. Due to smoking can cause various diseases, starting from cancer oral, lung cancer, and so on. Finally, it's gonna tell you about how to fight the smokers. How to fight of smokers, you must be good causing friends who don't smoke. So, you don't smoke. That's all for me. Don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.